Hi everyone, my name's Adam. I own Alto Hearing and we are a family-run audiology clinic in Lutterworth, Leicestershire and Kenilworth in Warwickshire. I'm back today to bring you another earwax removal video from our clinics. We'd really appreciate it if you enjoy this video, if you can like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. So in this procedure, we're using microsuction. This is one of the safest and most effective methods for earwax removal. Microsuction involves using a gentle suction device to remove earwax from the ear canal, and it's a quick procedure, and when done by a trained professional, it's very safe and comfortable for the patient. We start by carefully examining the ear canal using an otoscope, which allows us to see exactly where the wax is and how best to remove it. As you can see, we're beginning by positioning the suction device at the entrance of the ear canal, and the device is designed to create a gentle vacuum that dislodges and removes the earwax without causing any damage to the delicate structures of the ear. We proceed slowly and carefully, guiding the suction tip through the ear canal. It's important to work quite methodically to ensure all of the earwax is removed. You might hear a slight noise from the suction, which is perfectly normal and nothing to worry about. Throughout the procedure, we're constantly monitoring the ear canal to ensure everything is going smoothly. The process usually takes just a few minutes depending on the amount and the consistency of the earwax. As we continue, you'll notice the ear canal becoming clearer. This not only helps with hearing, but also reduces the risk of infections and discomfort caused by wax buildup. After the removal, we conduct a final check to ensure the ear canal is completely clear and healthy. We look for any remaining wax, signs of infection, or any other abnormalities that might need further attention. And there we have it. The ear is now free of wax and looking healthy. It's always important to follow up with regular ear checks and to avoid inserting objects into your ear that can push wax further down or cause some damage. If you ever feel discomfort or suspect you've got a wax buildup, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help ensure your ears are staying healthy and your hearing remains optimal. Now, what do we have here? Well, it's quite common for us to find little lumps and bumps in ears during our examinations. Now, these can be present for a variety of reasons, and more often than not, they are nothing to worry about. They just sort of get in the way, which is what's happened here. Earwax by design comes out naturally for most people. However, if you have a little polyp like this, debris can build up behind it, and that's what's happened in this case. It's worth noting that this polyp has been looked at and checked over by ENT specialists previously. It's nothing to worry about, it's just a benign lump. As you can see here, we're having to employ the crocodile forceps actually to remove the dry skin developing behind it. This is a common technique we use for such situations, and this ensures the ear canal is cleared effectively without causing any discomfort to the patient. The process is quite delicate. It requires steady hands and quite precise movements. It's essential to ensure that all the debris is removed to prevent any potential blockages or infections in the future. Now, regular checkups and cleaning can help manage and monitor any such sort of lumps to ensure they don't cause any issues over time. Other than that, this ear canal is looking fairly healthy. There are no signs of infection or significant wax buildup, which is always a good sign. Maintaining good ear hygiene and having regular checkups can help keep your ears in excellent condition. If you notice any unusual lumps or changes in your ears around the outside, it's always best to get them checked out. Whilst most are benign, as I said, it's important to rule out any potential issues and ensure your ear health is maintained. So we're always here to provide thorough checks and the best possible care for your hearing health needs. Thanks very much for watching today's video. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you next time.